A cohort of 130 students was surveyed regarding mathematics, chemistry and music. 12 students studied all three subjects. 32 students studied maths and chemistry, 18 studied music and chemistry, 2 studied only chemistry, 16 studied music only, and in total there were 66 students studying maths and 44 students studying music. Part A asks us to represent this in a Venn diagram. So we need to put in the information that exactly fits into this Venn diagram. So 12 students studying all three subjects goes in this overlap where music, maths and chemistry all intersect. Then we know that 32 students studied maths and chemistry. So maths and chemistry has 32 students, 12 of them are here, which leaves 20 to go here. Then we had 18 studied music and chemistry, so we have 12 already, which leaves 6 to go there. 2 studied only chemistry, so that goes in that part of the Venn diagram. 16 studied only music, so we have 16 there. And in total we had 66 studying maths and 44 studying music. So if we deal with the music first, we've got 16 plus 6 is 22. Plus 12, which is 34, and all up it must be 44. So we know that 10 students must study maths and music. Then with that information, we can go 10 plus 20 is 30, plus 12 is 42, and we need to go from 42 to 66, which means there are 24 students that study only maths. Now we need to add all of this up and see if we get to 130, and if we don't get to 130, they will be students that don't study either or any of music, maths or chemistry. If we add all of this up, we find that we have 16 plus 10 plus 12 plus 6 plus 24 plus 20 plus 2, and when you add all of that up it's equal to 90. Therefore we have 130 subtract 90 equals 40 students that don't do any of music, chemistry or maths. So for part B, we want to find the probability that a student selected at random does not study maths, chemistry or music. So that there is equal to 40 over 130, which equals 4 over 13. For part C, we want to find the probability that a student selected at random only studies mathematics. So for that, there's 24 students just here that only study maths, and we divide by the total number of students, which is 130, and we find that that will simplify down to being 12 over 65. Finally, we want to find the probability that a student selected at random studied exactly 2 of maths, chemistry or music. So exactly 2 is this, and this. So those three parts of the Venn diagram there is students studying exactly 2 of them. So all up we have 10 plus 6 plus 20 over 130, which equals 36 over 130, which can simplify down to being 18 over 65.